Question 20. In this question, the top left-hand corner of the square is folded over to the bottom right-hand corner, using this line as a fold line and creating a new triangle shape. And then, this part of the triangle is folded over using this line as the fold line and making this new shape, like so. When we fold out this new part of the shape, it will revert back to being a triangular shape like this, and the hole will be in a position here, like this. And then, when we fold out the triangle along this fold line here to make the square shape again, this hole here will be reflected using that diagonal line as a mirror line, so the new hole will appear here, like so. So in this case, option C is the correct answer. We can see that the original hole that was punched, like so, is reflected in the diagonal mirror line, like this, and has appeared here. A is incorrect because the two holes here are the only two holes which will appear in the shape, and the two holes at the bottom would not appear, as we did not punch any holes at the bottom of our triangle. In B, the hole which is here has been reflected here, but then has reappeared here and here, and we know that only one reflection will happen on this diagonal line here. In D, the two holes are a correct position here, but two more holes have appeared here and here, and only one hole was punched in our original shape. And similarly, in E, the hole here reflected here is correct, but these two additional holes, reflected here and this hole reflected here, are incorrect. And because you can't fold your answer sheet or a piece of paper, I'll show you what this looks like with a real piece of paper. So we would start with our square of paper like this, and then we would fold from the top left-hand corner over to the bottom right-hand corner, making a triangle shape with the fold line here, like this. And then we would fold over this portion of the triangle, using this line here as the fold line, and creating this new shape with a point at the top, like so. And then the hole would be punched here, and we can see it only goes through the two parts of the paper here and here. So that when we fold that part back over on itself, the hole remains in this position here, and when the piece of paper is completely unfolded, using this fold line here as a reflection line, the hole we punched has been reflected over like so. And we would therefore give our answer of C like this.